Hello everyone, my name is Kimaya and I am 10 years old. Today I will be showing you an artificial intelligence project which is called the Secret Code. This is an artificial intelligence project that is about learning about owls, like what they eat, their lifespan, and their size. But an owl is going to be teaching us. So, first we will see the examples that I have given and then we will train it and see how it works. Okay, so these are my examples: food, countries, lifespan, species, size. There are 5 examples in each book. In my project, you can ask what do they eat, where do they live, how long do they live, their species, and their size. But before we test it, we have to train it so that it works properly. So let's go back to project, learn and test, and then train new machine learning model. Now this will take a while, so I'll get back with you. Okay, so it's done. And now it's saying try putting in some text to see how it recognizes based on your training. Let's say we want to ask what they eat. So we'll say, what do owls eat? Recognizing as food with 100% confidence. That is really good. So now let's go and see how. Okay, let me take you through the secret code a bit and then we'll move on to see how it works. Okay, so we got the green flag to help us start the game. Okay, so then we got set owl says to hello, would you like to know anything about owls? So that basically, when you click the green flag, the owl says, hello, would you like to know anything about owls? That's when you ask the questions and then he answers. Okay, so then there's if recognize tense answer confidence 60, then set owl says to sorry, I don't understand. Please ask me something else. So that means if the owl knows the answer about 60%, that means he's not quite sure. So set owl says to sorry, I don't understand. Please ask me something else. Then we have if recognized text label food, then set owl says to the answer. So that means that if I ask a food question like what do you eat, and the owl thinks that it's a food related question, then he answers the food on, which is this. It's also the same for all the others. If recognized text answer label this is countries, then set owl says to the country answer. And it's also the same for this one. If recognized text answer label lifespan, set owl says to the lifespan answer. If you give the owl any food related question, he will always answer the food answer, which is owl's diet includes invertebrates such as insects, spiders, earthworms, and more. And same for all the others. Okay, so now I think y'all know how the code works, so let's move on to how the actual game works. Okay, so first we start the game and then he'll say hello, would you like to know anything about owls? And then this thing where you enter your text comes and you ask him a question and then he will answer it. So now let's ask him, where do owls live? Where do owls live? Owls can be found in all parts of the world except Antarctica. North America alone is home to 19 different species of owl. Let's ask about the lifespan. How long do you live? How long do you live? Although owls have been known to live up to 25 years, the average lifespan of most species is probably much lower. Generally, the larger species of owls live longer than the smaller species. Now, let's ask about the size. Okay, how big do owls get? The size of adult owls ranges from 46 centimeters to 63 centimeters. And that was my secret code project. Hope you enjoyed.